Muhammad wa alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. So we were there in tamathul, tadakhul, tawafuq and tabayun. So now another rule is, if the relation between the numbers of two groups of hairs is that of agreeability, then the wafaq of one of them may be multiplied in the whole of the other. And then you will be going on in the same way. The example is, Zayd died. And he left behind him 4 wives, 18 daughters, 15 grandmothers, and 6 uncles. So now here, the wives are sharers, the daughters are sharers, the grandmothers are sharers, and the uncles are residue. So now the wives, that is 1, 2, 3 or 4, and the deceased has children or grandchildren. So the wife or wives will take 1/8. And the daughters are 2 or more, so they will take 2/3. And the grandmother is 1 or 2 or 10 or 15, they will take 1/6. So now, what will be the denominator? 24. The wives will take 1/8, which is 3. The 18 daughters will take
16.
2/3, 16. And the 15 grandmothers will take
4.
1/6, which is 4. How much remain?
1.
That will go to the uncles. Now, the share and the share. So 4 and 3, the relation of 4 and 3 is disagreement totally. No tawafuq, no tamasul, no tadakhul, but that is tabayun. So you should keep 4. Got it? Here, 18 and 16, the nisbat or the relation of 18 and 16 is that tawafuq bin nisf, because 2 is the common thing which can divide the 18 and the 16 both. So when that is tawafuq bin nisf, so we will keep half of the 18, which is 9. Multiplied, how much?
36.
36. The relation between 15 and 4. Tabayun. No tadakhul, no tawafuq, no tamasul. So we will keep the whole 15. Multiplied by 36. No, first we have to find out that what is the relation of 36 and 15 with one another.
3.
They have some commonality?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes.
So, either 1/3 of this or 1/3 of this, you will multiply with the other. If you will take 1/3 of this, so that is how much?
12.
12 multiplied by 15?
180. 180.
180. If you will keep it as it, and you will take 1/3 of this one, so 5. How much?
180.
180, the same thing.
MashaAllah.
So 1/3 of one and the whole of the other. So is equal to 180. Now the relation of 6 and 1 is that of tabayun. So we will bring the whole 6 here. Got it?
Yes.
Or not it?
Got it.
Got it. So what is here? So half 15. So the whole number is considered, that is 6. Now here, the whole number, you cannot drop it totally. So the whole number is to be considered. So now when the whole number is considered, so you will multiply it with 180. 6.
1080. 1080.
How much?
1080.
1080. 1080. So, no, like this. Don't do this. So, you will take this whole number because 6 can divide it. So, that's why you will keep the whole number which is 180. So, multiply by
Yeah, that's right.
that is?
Yeah.
So now this is called madroob. The being multiplied with. So the being multiplied, now you will take it like this.
5.
Got it? So first, you will calculate this to find out whether we are right or not. We are right?
Yes.
Or we are not right?
Yes.
Yes. So now when we are right, so here, what we will do?
135.
Huh? Everyone, how much?
135. 135.
Huh? 135?
Yeah.
Yes. 135. Huh? Say. Why?
160.
Your computer is not working?
Yeah, 160.
Huh?
Yeah, 160.
160?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yeah.
No, 15. How much?
50.
Huh?
48.
Huh?
48. 48.
48. Yes?
Yeah.
So this is that you will make 4,320 shares of the whole property. So everyone will get that much, 135 to every wife, 160 to every daughter,